barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Now, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service and following my personal trades, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's look at the crude oil markets here. We've continued our move towards the downside. Of course, yesterday we had that shock movement where we broke out of this wedge towards the downside. I was previously very bullish here in the crude oil markets. I thought the fundamentals looked very good. But the reason for that breakdown yesterday is because we had the 5 and 2 year spread break below zero. This pretty much means now that we're almost certain to go or to enter into a recession, and it may not be as late as others feared. It could be this year. That's right, not 2023, the end of 2022. So it could be within the next couple of months. We could even already be in it and we just don't know it yet. So that's why we've seen a massive sell-off in crude oil here. We were trading just shy of $100 a barrel yesterday, and I said it's highly likely that, you know, during today's trading session we go and touch the 200-day EMA down at $95 a barrel, and we hit it to the dollar. We have found some support here. I don't want to buy crude oil here. Yesterday I did say that that this could potentially be a fantastic buying opportunity, but I do not want to buy crude oil here, and the reason being is because late night I was doing my research, and I completely forgot during yesterday's video that Biden is due to go out to Saudi Arabia this month. He was meant to go last month in June, but it got postponed by 1 month due to his busy work schedule. But he's expected to go out to Saudi Arabia to meet the king, and to ask for them to, you know, basically pump out more crude oil to help with the global supply. And of course, that's just not going to be good for the crude oil market. Supply and demand, economics 101. So, I think it's highly unlikely that the president of United States is going to fly all the way to Saudi Arabia and not get what he wants. So I do not like crude oil here. I think that, we could potentially see a break below 200-day EMA at some point. I think there's now shouts for crude oil to go as low as 80, 70. Some analysts are even saying $60 a barrel. I think it all depends on Joe Biden's meeting in Saudi Arabia, but I do not want to touch it here. Although we have had a nice bounce off the 200-day EMA, and it shows that the bulls still do have control of this market. We're still in a uptrend, just about, with our, you could argue that we are continuing to create higher lows, only just though. But again, I do not want to touch this market until after Joe Biden's meeting in Saudi Arabia.
Million barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.